At this point, you are now very much aware that the building block of any eMite report is a data block. And in eMite, these data blocks are grouped based on their functionalities. One of the display data blocks and is commonly used is the Drillthrough data block. It can be used as a standalone data block to show raw data from a target index. It can also be used to display the details of linked report in investigating and analyzing raw index records. Let's take a closer look. To launch a data block, you can either create a brand new page by clicking the plus sign along the content section. A dialog box will appear asking you how you'd like to add your content. Or you can also launch a data block from an existing page, hovering your mouse over the Edit Page menu and click Add Content. Just go to Add Content tab and click Add to see the data blocks menu. Select Drillthrough from the options and provide information needed for the data block title and data block style, which is simply the data block header color, and finally, click the Add button. The Drillthrough data block is just like the other data blocks. It would have its own UI controls that you may use in configuring and setting up the report. Now let's go ahead and configure our data block. Hover your mouse over the data block header and click on the index search icon. To query, select an index group, cube, and time range. Then a dimension for linking. Enter a query string to run the query. If the query is blank, the search returns all records. It will show raw query result in the Drillthrough grid. The security slicer will also get applied in the backend, which make the data secure to users. On the other hand, real-time messages are data that bypass the Elasticsearch onboarding and is onboarded directly into the dashboard using eMite Messaging Web Service, as it implements WebSockets via SignalR technology and allows real-time communications between the eMite adapters and the dashboard. To display real-time messages, go to Real-Time tab. Click the Enable button and select from among the options in Message Group. A real-time message group is basically a set of logical data usually defined by the source component, such as an adapter. The message group dropdown will be populated when page is loaded. The schema is coming from Messaging Web Services cache, which is populated by the real-time adapters. You may also use filter to only see what you are interested in. The format is column name : column value. In this example, let's enter presence : offline. Select your filter operator and click OK. Now let's see the other functionality of a Drillthrough data block, which is to display the details or raw data of a specific measure from a linked report. First, we need to launch a new Drillthrough data block and just leave it blank. Now let's use this existing cube report data block as the data source. Hover your mouse over the cube report data block's header and click on the link icon. The link targets window will display, showing all the data blocks on the page. Tick the box corresponding the Drillthrough you want the cube report linked to and click the link button below. Once the other report is linked, you may now display the raw data from any of the measures in your cube report to your Drillthrough by clicking on it. An indicator of what dimension is being displayed on your Drillthrough is shown on your data block's header. Now, there are still a lot of features you can take advantage of from a Drillthrough data block. For more info, you may visit Confluence. Thanks for watching.